Hello, today we're going to speak about how to create virtual machines. The easiest and fastest way to install a virtual machine in VMware vCloud environment is to use templates. In this case, the creation of a virtual machine takes only several minutes, and in Wavecom our templates have pre-installed VMware tools and we update OS packages periodically. So first of all, log into vCloud directory site and press sign in. After that, you can create a virtual machine if you go to Compute, under where you can find the virtual machines, and then click the Create New VM button. A new window will open. Fill in the necessary data, such as name, computer name, description, and so on. Also, do not forget to remove the tick from power on. It is essential to not power on new virtual machine because you need to customize components before that. You will see the templates for installation. Select the appropriate one and click OK. And the new virtual machine will be created with default settings shortly. Wait when the new virtual machine is ready and click on the details to change the important settings. Click Details. Under General tab, everything is pre-filled for you. Under Hardware, set the needed amount of vCPU, VRAM and disk. Do not exceed the subscription limit, otherwise the machine will not start. You can also change everything later. You can add memory and vCPU to the included machine without shutting it down. We suggest not to use CPU hot-add. If hot-add is disabled, overall virtual machine CPU performance is increased 5 to 8%. Next, you can set up network. This can be your WAN network or own LAN network. Don't forget to put the tick under the connected part. IP DHCP is selected by default, however, it's not supported by our templates. We recommend using a static IP pool for your virtual machine, where first free IP from the IP range will be provided. You can also select a static manual pool and set IP for yourself. In many cases, it will automatically set the network configuration to the operating system. In guest OS customization, make sure you enable Quest customization and allow local administrator passwords. Otherwise, network and root passwords will not be configured and virtual machine will be not usable. You can set your own desired root password when you remove a flag from auto-generate password and type in your password. If you have provisioned Windows Server, we recommend also to check change SID. Advanced file is also pre-filled with unlimited limits. And let's click Save to submit all changes and start the virtual machine. For starting your virtual machine, open Actions and select Power On. Only after virtual machine is started, you can find administrator or root password in VM details under the Guest OS customization. Here is the password. After your virtual machine is up and running, you can use console for login. Just click on the screen logo and your virtual machine console will be opened. Or you can access secure shell or remote desktop depending on installed OS. With Microsoft Windows environment, you will need to enlarge your partition manually with disk management tool if you chose virtual machine size bigger than 40 GB. For Linux, file system will increase itself automatically when virtual machine storage size is increased. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked the video, then click the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified for the future Wavecom tutorial videos. And see you in the next one.